was the last time you gave your makeup and toiletries a proper cleanse? If the answer is, I can't remember, don't worry, you're not alone. Today is all about taking this task off your to-do list and creating your own beauty area that you will love. Let's dive into day 7 as our easy 28-day declutter challenge. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Shanice Banis, and I'm an organizing expert and content creator for my blog, City of Creative Dreams, and founder of Inspired by Organizing, a custom e-design organizing service. We're wrapping up the bathroom zone of our challenge, and today's focus is all about makeup and toiletries. These are everyday essentials, yet they can easily become cluttered and overwhelming. If you're new here, no worries, you can jump in anytime. Grab the free printable checklist from the link below to follow along. Here is a quick sneak peek into the 28 days of what it looks like and what we have accomplished so far. Let's get started on today's mission and turn your makeup and toiletries into a beautifully organized space that works for you. We're tackling this in 3 steps: cosmetic cleanse, glamorous organization, and daily essentials. First step, cosmetic cleanse. First step, let's sort through your makeup and toiletries. Put everything out, yes, everything. Lay it out so you can see what you're working with. Now, check the expiry dates on your makeup and skincare products. Did you know that mascara should be replaced every 3 months? Or that some skincare loses their effectiveness after a year? It's time to say goodbye to items that are past their prime. Also, ask yourself, do I still use this? Does it work on my skin type or style? Keep only the products you love and use regularly. Step 2, glamorous organization. Now that you've edited your collection, it's time to organize. Invest in some stylish organizers to keep everything in its place. Drawer dividers, acrylic organizers, or stackable trays can do wonders. Group similar items together, lipsticks, brushes, skincare, so you can see exactly what you have. Bonus, this not only saves you time, but also adds a touch of glam to your space. Step 3, daily essentials. Finally, keep only what you use daily within easy reach. Your go-to products like foundation, moisturizer, or toothpaste should have a prime counter real estate. Everything else can find a home in an organized storage, whether it's a drawer, cabinet, or a bin. And there you have it. Your makeup and toiletries are officially decluttered and beautifully organized. Doesn't it feel amazing to have everything you need at your fingertips? If you completed today's mission, let me know in the comments, what was the oldest item you found? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're ready for tomorrow's task. Remember, progress over perfection is the goal here. You're doing amazing, and I'll see you in the next video for day 8. Bye!
Hey, before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there!